स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस की यूनिट 8 रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले और भी चैप्टर पे वीडियोस अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पर मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी, तो उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वर्कशीट 1, रीड द फॉलोइंग कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन प्रणॉय एंड रोहित। The sports day is on the 23rd of this month, said Pranoy. I can hardly wait for the day, exclaimed Rohit. I am nervous about the races, said Pranoy. You should not worry as you will be the champion again, said Rohit. That will not be true because I am out of practice, said Pranoy. The words actually spoken are given in inverted commas. The same conversation is given below in the reported form. However, some words are missing from it. Filling the blanks by selecting an appropriate word from the add box that follows it. The first one has been done as an example. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इससे हम लोगों को फिल करना, इस कन्वर्सेशन को देखिए हम लोगों का एड बॉक्स दिया हुआ है ऊपर में। तो चलिए देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन। Pranoy reported excitedly that the sports day was on the 23rd of that month. Rohit replied that he could hardly wait for the day. Pranoy confessed that he was nervous about the races. However, Rohit assured him that he should not worry, be the champion again. But Pranoy reminded that would not be true because he was out of practice. इस एड बॉक्स से हम लोगों को वर्ड्स को सेलेक्ट करके फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स भरने थे। देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। देखिए, द वर्ड्स डैट यू हैव फिल्ड इन द ब्लैंक्स आर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स। जो वर्ड्स अभी आप फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में भरे वो वर्ड्स जो है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स है। Sometimes it is not necessary to report everything that is said word by word. Hence, reporting verbs are used to summarize what was communicated. Reporting verb का जो यूज़ है वो कम्युनिकेशन को समराइज करने में किया जाता है। सम कॉमनली यूज वर्ब्स ऑफ दिस काइंड आर, कुछ जो है कॉमनली यूज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स से देखिए यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं। एक्सेप्ट, एडवाइस, ऑर्डर, टेल, ग्रैम्बल, आस्क, रिफ्यूज, थैंक, इनवाइट, ऑफर, से, आंसर। देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स। रिमेंबर क्या है? डायरेक्ट स्पीच इज व्हाट द स्पीकर एक्चुअली सेज एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज रिपोर्टिंग इट फ्रॉम द नरेटर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। डायरेक्ट स्पीच का मतलब होता है कि स्पीकर एक्चुअली क्या कहना चाहते हैं, और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या होता है कि नरेटर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसे रिपोर्ट करना होता है। Worksheet 2, रेफर टू द कन्वर्सेशन अगैन एंड लिस्ट द वर्ड्स दैट हैव बीन चेंज्ड। देखिए, डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कुछ वर्ड्स जो यूज़ होते हैं वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज हो जाते हैं, उसे हम लोगों को यहाँ पर लिस्ट लिखना है। दिस, दैट हो जाएगा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में। सेड का इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में टोल्ड हो जाएगा। आई, ही, दिस, दैट, said, replied, I, he, she, can, could, am, was, will, would, is, was, said, confessed, said, assured, said, regretted। देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स। Worksheet 3, look at the words in the blurbs in column A. Imagine this is what your partner has whispered in your ear. You have to tell the rest of the class what he/she has told you using the reporting verb given below the blurb. Write what you will say in column B. One has been done for you. Column A, column B. I wish I was not mean to my sister. Regret. She regretted being mean to her sister. Next, don't go into that tunnel. Warn. She warned me not to go into the tunnel. You must work hard and win the match. Encourage. She encouraged me to work hard and win the match. Leave my room at once. Order. She ordered me to leave her room at once. You should exercise regularly. Advice. She advised me to exercise regularly. I will not lend him money. Refuse. She refused to lend him money. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 4. नाउ एक्चुअली आस्क योर पार्टनर टू विस्पर अ सेंटेंस इन योर ईयर एंड रिपोर्ट व्हाट ही शी सेड. Then whisper a different sentence in your partner's ear and she should report what you said. Refer to the reporting verbs given in worksheet 1. First, thank you for helping me. She thanked me for helping her. I wish to invite you to my birthday party. She wished to invite me to her birthday party. I will not allow you to go there. She refused to allow me to go there. Don't go to office tomorrow if you are not well. She is asking me not to go to office the next day if I am not well. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 5. वर्कशीट 5. वर्क विथ योर पार्टनर एंड राइट द डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस फॉर ईच ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड वंस गिवन बिलो. One has been done for you. Sarin asked her mother where her water bottle was. Sarin said to her mother, where is my water bottle? He asked when they would be moving out. He said when they will be moving out. The teacher asked the students why they were making a noise. The teacher said to the students, why are you making noise? Making the noise. The children asked their mother if they could go out and play. The children said to their mother, can we go out and play? Mrs. Raghavan asked Sunanda how she had prepared that dish. Mrs. Raghavan said to Sunanda, how did you prepare this dish? They asked us if our team had won. They asked to us, has your team won? He wondered which room he should sleep in. He said, which room shall he sleep in? The coach asked Sonia if it was her turn. The coach said to Sonia, is it your turn? Worksheet 6. Report the following questions using if, whether, how, why, where, which as appropriate. First, where is the library? Sonali asked the peon where the library was. Is it raining? My mother asked me if it was raining. Why didn't you come to school yesterday? She asked him why she hadn't come to school the day before. Which car should I buy? The customer asked the dealer which car he should buy. Next, have you been to the shopping plaza? Sonali asked Manindra if she had been to the shopping plaza. How many of you have not done the homework? The teacher asked the students how many of them had not done the homework. Can I take a day off? He asked his boss if he could take a day off. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 7. Read the following dialogues taken from the subunit A handful of elements of the unit achievers in my English reader. Then complete the summary given below. Are you sure you want to do it? Said the teacher. Nani said, I want to try. Papa, I have given my name for the elocution competition announced. Nani to his father in the evening. What are you going to speak on? Said his father. I don't know, as it is going to be an extempore, said Nani. The teacher asked Nani if he was sure that he wanted to do it, to which Nani replied that he would try. In the evening, Nani told his father that he had given his name for the elocution competition. His father inquired what he was going to speak on. Nani answered that it was going to be an extempore. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इंग्लिश रीडर की सॉल्यूशन वीडियो भी बनाती हूँ, यदि आप वीडियो को नहीं देखे तो ज़रूर देख लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 8। वर्कशीट 8, इमेजिन योर ब्रदर रोहन एंड हिज फ्रेंड हैड गॉन टू अ शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स व्हेन प्रतीक गॉट किडनैप्ड. Later the police interviewed Rohan and based on the clues he had given them, they were able to nab the kidnappers and save Pratik. First read Rohan's conversation with the police, then complete the letter given on page 101. Police Inspector, where were you when Pratik was kidnapped? Rohan, I am very fond of ice cream, so I had gone to get some more of it for both of us. Police Inspector, did you see the kidnappers? Rohan, I saw 2 persons. I think there were only 2 of them. Police Inspector, what did they look like? Rohan, one of them was tall, about 6 feet, and the other was of average height. The shorter one was wearing a hat and was in a black shirt. The taller one was in blue. Police Inspector, did you notice the vehicle they took Pratik in? Rohan, it was a white Maruti car. I also remember the number. It was CHO 1K3911. Police Inspector, thank you Rohan. You have been a great help. Now write a letter to your parents about the interview Rohan had with the police. The beginning of the letter has been written for you. Room number 12, Nehru Hostel, ABC School, January 20, 2020. Dear Dad and Mom, guess what? Pratik has been saved and the kidnappers have been nabbed, all because of Rohan's courage and alertness. Just yesterday, the police interviewed Rohan. The first thing the police inspector asked him was where he was when Pratik was kidnapped. He said that he was very fond of ice cream, so he had gone to get more of it, both of them. The police inspector asked him if he had seen the kidnappers. Rohan said that he had seen both of them. The inspector asked him what they looked like. Rohan answered that one of them was tall, about 6 feet, and the other was of average height. The taller one wore specs and was in blue shirt the day before. The shorter one was in a black shirt. The inspector asked if he had noticed the vehicle they took Pratik in. Rohan replied that it was a white Maruti car. He also remembered the number. It was CHO 1K3911. The police thanked Rohan for this cooperation. Yours, Abhay. Sheet 9. Read the following sentences and note the use of commas, inverted commas and capital letter. Nancy said, take the book with you. This is my favorite skirt, said Sheila. Robin shouted, where did you hide the dog? Will you get some sugar, said mother, or should I get it myself? Now punctuate the following sentences and write them in the space provided. How do I solve this problem? Nikhil said to his teacher. आप लोगों को सेंटेंस को पंक्चुएट करना और जो स्पेस दिए गए वहाँ पर लिखना है. The tourist exclaimed, what a beautiful monument. The tourist exclaimed, what a beautiful monument. She asked, is that me, and started to cry. She asked, is that me, and started to cry. Fourth, I am very worried about my father's health, said Karina. I am worried about my father's health, said Karina. Where can I get some pastries? Asked the man at the counter. Where can I get some pastries? Asked the man at the counter. If you have the time, Sila said, will you help me with my homework? If you have time, Sila said, will you help me with my homework? My dear sister, whispered Shasa, if you don't give me your chocolate, I will let out your secret. My dear sister, whispered Sasa, if you don't give me your chocolate, I will let out your secret. Where are my shoes? Fatima said to her brother. I cannot find them anywhere. Where are my shoes? Fatima said to her brother. I cannot find them anywhere. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं डू इट योरसेल्फ. Do it yourself. Read the following conversation between Ruhi and Meena. Then complete the paragraph that follows by filling in the blank spaces. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ एक कन्वर्सेशन दिया गया रूही और मीना के बीच. तो हम लोगों को इसे पढ़ के नीचे दिए गए पैराग्राफ को फिलअप करने. तो मैं इसे रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं आप लोगों को डायरेक्ट पैराग्राफ दिखा रही हूँ. रूही told Meena that there was an exciting magic show in the town. Meena asked her where the show was. Ruhi told her it was at the plaza and inquired if she would like to go. Meena asked Ruhi if anyone was going to see that. Ruhi told her that Malini and she were going to see it the next day. Meena asked if she could join them. Ruhi was delighted to hear this. She insisted that she must join and have fun. She was sure that they would have fun. Meena asked her who would get the tickets. Ruhi said she would ask her brother to arrange them. Read the conversation given below and complete it in any suitable way. Mother, why don't you clean your room? Son, I don't have time. I feel comfortable this way. Mother, but how can you find anything in this mess? Why have you kept your shoes here? Son, I have kept my shoes here because I am about to go for a jog. Mother, why have you kept your school bag here? Son, I need that too. I am doing my homework. Mother, make sure you put the bag in the right place when you leave the room. Son, I am going for jogging now. I am getting late now. Mother, don't worry. I will clean your room. Son, please don't touch anything, otherwise I won't be able to find my things. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया. यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और सब्जेक्ट का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए, और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.